Understanding library version conflicts.
The previous user conflicts happen when different parts of your code or different dependencies require incompatible versions of the same library. This is a common issue in programming, whether you use Python, JavaScript, or other languages. Such conflicts can lead to errors, unexpected behavior, or build failures, making it crucial to identify and address them early.
Identifying the root cause.
To fix a version conflict, first determine which libraries are incompatible. Read error messages closely, as they often mention the problematic packages and required versions. Review your project's dependency files, such as requirements.txt, package.json, or build.gradle. Tools like pipdeptree or npm-ls can reveal dependency trees and highlight conflicting requirements.
Resolving the conflict.
Once you know which libraries are causing trouble, try to update all dependencies to versions that work together. If you're using a package manager, look for compatible versions or allow it to suggest solutions. When conflicts persist, consider removing unnecessary dependencies or replacing one library with an alternative that matches your project's needs.
Using virtual environments.
Virtual environments help isolate your project's dependencies from the rest of your system. This way, you control which library versions your code uses, reducing the likelihood of version conflicts. Tools like Python's venv or JavaScript's NVM can manage and sandbox dependencies for individual projects.
Preventing future conflicts.
To avoid future problems, regularly update dependencies and document specific version requirements. Use lock files like packagelock.json or pipfile.lock to keep everyone on the same versions. Periodically reviewing and refactoring dependencies can help keep your project stable and easier to maintain.